Howdy y'all, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. We're at the Fairway North Fields, and there are studio 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms available here. This is right next to the PGA in Frisco. What about this? So if you're crazy about golf, I mean, that's probably one of the reasons you're gonna be wanting to be here. You're right across the street pretty much from the golf facilities and offices. But then you've got two golf simulators. I've literally never seen this. 2 golf simulators. So it's pretty cool that these are going at the same time. So you can have a really big party here. But the people that aren't playing, when they aren't playing, they can be here playing pool, playing ping pong. So you've got a lot you can do here. But then the golf doesn't end, because then outside, look at this. You've got just a beautiful putting greens over here. There's several, and so you can test your putting here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Pretty amazing. This is a really beautiful green too. So very nice, and again, just right across the street. Pretty cool. The PGA offices right over there. Just simply amazing. What a perfect place if you love golf, or if you want to be in a perfect area in Frisco that's safe. And perfect location too. If you got any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. And if you want to take a tour at any time, same thing. Send me a text. Just use the number below, and that could be a virtual or live. Hey, next we're going to go see the actual apartments that are back in the first building. They're ahead. We're going to go see this right now.